Hello viewers, it's me again, Mr. BTC Bills. I'm expecting a sell on gold. If you check my software on your PC, you see that the support at 2027.04 for gold. Let me turn it horizontal. Please zoom in so that you can zoom this video in. Okay, let me draw my trend line. Remember, I love using trend line to understand market structure. Okay, let me get the top. This is the downtrend from 15 minutes time frame, and let me use this downtrend trend line to get an uptrend here. This is an uptrend here. Let me use this one to get an uptrend here to mark some support. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, remember what I said about support turning into resistance and resistance turning into support, how I drew my trend line. You will notice that this sell, there's a news right now. There's a news that was released. The reading was high, and I'm expecting USD to be strong. The low forecast as expected, and also cost CPI is above forecast. So all this reading, I'll show you the picture of it. All this reading gives USD a stronger momentum to bring down all its pairs. So we are going to also rely on our strategy before we can execute any sell. So but outside our strategy, we need to still analyze the market. More like if I'm going to analyze gold, I'm going to rely on this trend line here. You see this red candle, it broke this trend line, this white trend line, and this candle, this 15 minutes candle, closed below this particular trend line, which indicates a resistance here. And also you see this red horizontal line is also a resistance. So this gold closed below this resistance, this red horizontal resistance, and also closed below this white trend line, indicating that there is a sell in the market. There's going to be a sell. Gold is going to sell more. So but I'm not going to enter this sell yet because of this condition. I have to still rely on my strategy before I execute any sell to this, any sell on gold. And if I'm going to sell gold, I'm going to sell gold and hold that gold should touch 2022, which is here. Gold can sell and drop to 2022 today, so I have to rely and wait. Let me zoom in. Okay, let me turn here so that you understand what I meant. So if you can't see my previous horizontal video, you can use this one. So you see here, this is what I meant. There's the red horizontal, the white trend line, and then the gold stopped under this red and white trend lines. All these white line and red horizontal line signifying that there's a sell in the market. So we have to rely and wait for when our casino strategy is due for us to sell. I cannot enter a sell and hold until I have to hold the sell to 2027 support. I have to hold the sell to this zone, or I will hold the sell to 2024 and 2022 lows. It can reach to 2022 today. So that is it, guys. So let's wait for more confirmation before I execute a sell. So I took a sell because remember I said something about this zone here. You see all these candle, you see this wick, you see all these shadows, you see all this shadow. You see how this one tried to break this zone I told you about, and you see how gold still came down. You see this one, you see this candle, you see how this zone, all this wick, it signifies that there is a self active here. This zone is very critical. It's very important for the sellers. So that is why you can see I took a sell on gold instantly, and I'm supposed to put my TP to this zone. Then my SL should be here. Remember, I should not hold this market till this SL hit. I can cut my loss once my 3K casino strategy instruct for a sell or indicates that trend has switched, I'll just cut my loss. So but I'm not expecting that I will take this loss, because I remember I entered this market because firstly, the most important thing that made me enter this market is, first, I entered this market for the fundamental reason that gold is that USD is strong, because of the reading that came out strong for USD dollar, the core CPI and the core CPI, and also the initial job claim if you are trading fundamental. And also I entered this market because of this analysis over here that indicates of a sell continuation. I lastly and generally opted this market because my 3K casino strategy instructs right now that this sell is active and is going to drop more. So this is the 3 basic factors that lead me to enter a sell on gold, and with faith I believe it's going to sell. And although there is a support at 2027, so I believe gold is going to break this support to drop to the next support at 2022.70. Thank you guys, we're gonna get back to this later. Oh yeah, back to my chart. See the mighty cells. Oh my god, see the mighty cells. My TP hits.